Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make steak with sauce. First, select a quality steak, ideally about 1.5 inches thick, like a ribeye or sirloin. Pat it dry thoroughly with paper towels. Then, season both sides generously with coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper. This simple preparation is key to a flavorful foundation before we even start cooking. Next, heat a heavy-bottomed pan, preferably cast iron, over medium-high heat until it's smoking slightly. Add a tablespoon of high smoke point oil. Carefully place your seasoned steak in the hot pan and sear for 2 to 3 minutes per side for a beautiful crust and medium-rare doneness. For accuracy, use a meat thermometer to reach your preferred internal temperature. Now let's make a quick pan sauce. After removing the steak, deglaze the hot pan with about 1/4 cup of beef broth or red wine, scraping up all those flavorful bits. Reduce the heat to low, then whisk in 2 tablespoons of cold butter and a pinch of fresh herbs like thyme or rosemary. Simmer gently until the sauce slightly thickens, about 2 minutes. Finally, the crucial resting period. Transfer your cooked steak to a cutting board and let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a tender and moist result. Slice the steak against the grain into desired portions, then generously drizzle your delicious warm pan sauce over each piece. Enjoy your perfectly cooked steak.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.